guys, welcome back to the channel. This video is about the last few jobs, the last few modifications to my Audi R8. As you know, previous videos we have installed the carbon fiber side skirts, the front lip, some of the front grille, and then the side mirrors in carbon fiber. And I was missing one job, which was the rear diffuser, the rear wing, and most importantly the new exhaust. We installed an FI exhaust, and the car now sounds ferocious. It sounds like a proper Lamborghini engine, right? It sounds like the Gallardo Huracan. I'm very impressed. So I took the car to my friend Titus. He's the best builder I know. You have seen him in previous videos where he worked on my McLaren 570. And he did the installation, and he took video clips of some of the process. So we also had before and after cold start with the R8. So I think that will be fun too. So check it out. I'm gonna put some of the videos here, and yeah, let's see how it went.